Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Robmotive. Today, I'm going to be installing some speed sensor shields to the front of the Toyota Tacoma. And the whole point is to protect those speed sensors from debris, rocks, off-roading, something that pops up on the freeway, really anything. It's a pretty simple mod. It only has or involves 2 screws on the speed sensor themselves. You remove them and then you mount these in front of the speed sensors to protect them. They come from Miller Cat. This is a paid advertisement. There is a discount code down below if you want to pick these up, but let's go ahead, jump in. First off, tools. You'll need a socket, a couple of sockets, a 10 and a 12 millimeter, a ratchet, and a torque wrench, because you do want to make sure you torque the bolts back on properly when you're finished. Now, where we're working at is right underneath on the front of the tires, I guess, and the spot is right here. You have a screw right up here and a screw right down here, and the way they fit is right over those screws, like so. Pretty darn simple to do. The only thing really that you want to watch is up here on the top. You'll see this little tab, if you get your light on, right there, that fits in that slot. You want to make sure that's back in that slot when you're done. Now, what I'm going to do is one of these at a time. I'm going to go ahead and remove the screw, probably the bottom one, go ahead and mount the bottom part of the bracket in, and then I'll go back up to the top and do the other side. So let's go ahead and get started. Doesn't take much to loosen that, that's for sure. So go ahead and remove the screw. And nothing moves when you do this, so that's good. Go ahead and mount the screw through the bracket. Okay, and then the top one, I've got the bottom one in, you can see. The top one we want to go ahead and take out and do the same thing. So, and this is a 12 millimeter. And I'm going to just gently take that one out. Again, make sure the nub up here, right up here, is back in the slot. That's important, and that's it. So now we just need to tighten and torque, and that's all we need to do. Again, you want 6 pounds down here and 9 pounds, I think it is. Let me check. Let's see, 6.25 on the bottom down here and 9 foot-pounds on the top up here. So let me go ahead, torque it off, and then we'll go over and do the driver's side, and I'll show you when I am finished. Okay, got it all installed. You guys can see it right there. Pretty simple mod to do. Not really any room for error in this. It's really simple. Again, make sure you torque it down, 6.25 on the bottom. I did 6.3. And up top, 9 foot-pounds of pressure. And you've got yourself a nice little shield to protect that unit, that sensor in the front of the truck, that speed sensor. Again, pretty simple to do. Doesn't take a lot of time. I probably could have done the whole thing in 10 minutes. There will be a link down below. Save yourself a little bit of money, get yourself a lot of protection. A definite must, I think, if you're an off-roader, or really even just going down the freeway and having something pop up and damage that. you know that that sensor, especially if you're out of warranty, is not going to be cheap. And who wants to sit at the dealership and screw with having them fix it anyway? Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I know a few people have already picked this up. I've heard. I'd be curious to know what you think about it. If you haven't before, click that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on the web. Bye.